Turkey Hunter came in here yesterday evening. We split up trying to see if we could hear something, and turkeys haven't been gobbling that good. And he heard one gobble. I said, well, that's perfect. I said, we can go on him in the morning and get you a good one on film. Woke up this morning, he is sick as a dog. Stomach virus. And so he said, well, you just go up there and kill him. I said, well, might as well hunt in public land. You don't never know. So he dropped the pin. Here I am. We'll see. He just gobbled right where Turkey Hunter said he'd be. He's about, I don't know, maybe 400 yards. Still dark. Quiet down in this bottom, so I'm gonna make some ground on him. Y'all ready? Let's go.
We are Team Limo,
and we call that boot home.
Our turkey hunting experience began when the gobbler killed his first turkey in 1933.
he's coming, and he turns and takes off over there. I'm like, what is he doing? And heck, I look and I see that other one coming. I said, oh my gosh. But the one I killed was the first one that was coming. He went over to him, and then they both come back. How I got him to come away from them hens, I guess it was old Yeller. Put the smack bottom on him. Had to cut that out. I'm gonna go over there and look at this one and get out of here, because Turkey Hunter come back in here in the morning. Maybe we can kill that other one. That sucker didn't even flop. I thought I was fixing to shoot him a little bit too far, but probably get over there and grab him, he'll spur me. I hope he's got some hooks on him. Where you going, man? Now he done come alive. I guess that the other one was probably a 2-year-old too then. But hey, they just as fun to kill. Let's see what we got here. I don't know, he's either 2 or 3, maybe 2.5-year-old. I'm gonna call him 3. They starting to point a little bit. Got a pretty good beard on him. Probably 9 inches, 9-inch beard. He ain't spurred, but they pointed. But hey, there's another one in the box. Pawpaw taught us too well. Way too well. I set him up and get my picture with it, Pawpaw's wing bone, and well, I got my picture took with him, Pawpaw's wing bone on him. That's what we always like to do, get one. Remember all those good times we had with Pawpaw and old wing bone. My goodness, if we'd have had the cameras and had the ability to film them, I don't know if it could have made enough SD cards. We had a ball. But not a bad morning. 8:45. Headed out of here with one on the shoulder.